Thanks for tuning in, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to smash that like button.
So a little bit of backstory, my wife and I have been working out at a local gym and decided instead of paying gym fees, we would make a small gym in our house, and we've been collecting small weights and flooring, etc., to kettlebells to outfit the small gym. I recently found this Olympic-sized barbell, 6 foot, on an auction site for $5. Thought, boy, you can't beat that price. It's a $125, $150 bar. Got it home after paying for the auction, $5 plus tax, and found it only has one end. I've removed this already so I could spec it out, but it's kind of worthless without 2 of these sleeves. But for the price, I figured I could make a second one and make it worth the purchase still. So the idea is to machine / weld another one of these and make it affordable still. I do have this piece of DOM out of my scrap, 2-inch. That'll turn down nicely, I believe, to work for the outer sleeve. I did buy this slug for the collar. I'll have to bore this out on the lathe, turn down the edges, turn it down to size, but it's pretty close already for the collar. And then I figured I'd use this slug, also out of my scrap bin, to make the end part where the bearing, if you will, that holds the attachment hardware. This screws into the post, the bar itself. So we'll see what we can do. So here's the finished product. The sizing is exact. Mine weighs a little bit more than the original. I think this is thinner wall tubing on the outside. Nonetheless, sizes are right, the bore is correct. Even chamfered this down, kind of match the original chamfer over here. And I'm happy with it. I got to get a bolt at Ace Hardware and call this project complete.